Two friends, one idea. They shake hands and start a business. 6 months later, they are fighting in court. Sounds familiar? Business partnerships are exciting, but they are also full of legal landmines. In this video, I will take you through the most common legal and tax mistakes everyone makes in the partnership and how to avoid them with smart planning under the Partnership Act 1932 and the Income Tax Act 1961. Let us get started. Legal pitfall 1. Not registering the partnership firm. Solution: register your firm with the registrar of firms. It gives your business legal standing and credibility. According to the Indian Partnership Act 1932, registration of a partnership firm is optional. But here is the catch. If your firm is unregistered, you cannot sue your partner, vendor or client in court for breach of contract. You are right. You can do business, but if there is a dispute, you are stuck. Legal pitfall 2. Not having a detailed partnership deed. Solution: get your deed drafted by a legal professional. It's not a formality, it is your safety net. Most people start with a handshake or a WhatsApp agreement. That's a disaster waiting to happen. Legal pitfall 3. Not understanding personal liability. Solution: if high risk is involved, consider forming an LLP for better protection. Unlike companies or LLPs, partners in a traditional partnership firm have unlimited liability. So if your firm cannot pay its debts, the bank can come after your personal assets. Legal pitfall 4. What if a partner dies, retires or wants to leave? Solution: include clear terms for retirement, death or exit and outline what happens next in the deed. If your partnership deed does not clearly say what happens when a partner retires, dies or walks away, you are just not prepared. You are inviting chaos. One missing clause could freeze your bank account, collapse operations or land you in court. Now let us talk tax. Under the Income Tax Act 1961, registered partnership firms are taxed at 30% plus cess. But here's what many partners miss. Remuneration and interest to partners must be as per partnership deed. They must be authorized and within the limits of Section 40B. Legal pitfall 5. Paying partners without proper clause or exceeding allowed limits. The expenses get disallowed and your tax liability shoots up. Solution: include specific clauses in the deed for salary and interest to partners. Stay within the prescribed limits. Legal pitfall 6. Using 44AD and still claiming partner's salary, which is not allowed. Solution: if you want to pay partners, don't opt for presumptive taxation or be ready to forego that deduction. Small firms often opt for Section 44AD presumptive taxation. But here is the twist. Partners cannot claim remuneration if they opt for this scheme. Legal pitfall 6. No dispute resolution plan. Always have a clear dispute resolution mechanism in writing. What if one partner wants to exit? What if both disagree on a major decision? No deed is equal to no mechanism is equal to chaos. Legal pitfall 7. Filing the wrong income tax return form. Solution: partnerships must file ITR 5 and not ITR 3 or 4. Missing deadlines or not reporting partner's salary and interest correctly can lead to penalties and even the disallowance of business expense. Hire a tax professional or a CA who knows partnership rules and help you keep records clean. Let us recap the top legal pitfalls to avoid in a partnership. 1. Not registering the firm. 2. Vague or missing partnership deed. 3. Ignoring the income tax rules on partners' remuneration. 4. Misusing presumptive taxation under Section 44AD. 5. Not planning for unlimited liability. 6. No plan for disputes or partners exit. 7. Filing a wrong ITR and claiming expenses wrongly. Business is about trust, but successful business is also about clarity. Build that clarity with legal compliance from day one. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with your business partners or future partners.